Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We will be comparing two mini drones that offer unique features and functionalities. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Our first contender is the mini drone. Packed with impressive features, this drone is perfect for capturing aerial photos and videos. With its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, you can capture stunning footage and share it with ease on social media. One of the standout features of the mini drone is its user-friendly design, making it the best drone toy for kids. With the one-key start landing button, even beginners can fly this drone effortlessly. It also offers different speed modes to suit different skill levels. The altitude hold feature ensures stable flight and allows for high-quality footage. Safety is a top priority with the mini drone. It comes equipped with low-power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. Additionally, it offers a long flying time with its 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 18 to 21 minutes of flight time. This drone also offers multiple fun flight modes and even supports voice and gesture control. You can perform impressive 3D flips, draw flight paths on your smartphone, and control the drone with simple voice commands. With its advanced flight functions and 3 control modes, including remote control, app control, and voice control, the mini drone offers a versatile and enjoyable flying experience for kids and beginners alike. Now let's move on to our second contender, the Oddire Mini Drone. This drone brings a unique twist with its 2-in-1 design. Not only can it fly, but it can also transform into a racing car. With just a press of a button, the Oddire Mini Drone switches from flight mode to car mode. You can control it to move forward, turn left, and turn right, giving your child the experience of running a racing car and flying a quadcopter simultaneously. This multifunctional drone offers user-friendly features such as one-click takeoff and landing, stable altitude hover, 360-degree rolls, and a flexible headless mode. It also comes with fine-tuning functions, allowing you to customize the flying experience according to your needs. The Oddire Mini Drone is built to last, with its durable quality and protective measures. The high-quality materials ensure it can withstand bumps and drops, while the wrapped fan blades protect your child from harm. With 2 batteries included, this drone provides an impressive battery life of up to 20 to 30 minutes, giving you ample time to enjoy both the flying and car modes. The mini drone is highly recommended for beginners and offers a great aerial photography experience. On the other hand, the Oddire Mini Drone provides a unique 2-in-1 experience with its car mode and is recommended for those looking for a fun and versatile drone. That's all for today's comparison of the mini drone and the Oddire Mini Drone. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. See you next time on Buy Smart.